All right, Keap users, today I have a really exciting announcement for you. Many years ago at Box Out, we had created a handful of software tools, add-ons to extend the functionality of Infusionsoft back in the day. Well, we realized a few years into this that we weren't necessarily a software company, we were an agency. And so at that point, we started referring our clients and customers to Fix Your Funnel and to Plus This and to other tool sets out there who do a great job providing these types of tools. Well, over the years, there have been a few tools that we had created back in the day that no one else had replicated. Recently, we teamed up with Plus This to replicate one of those tools. And that tool is our email subscription manager. So as you know, in Keap, there's no way right now to natively inside the system send your email subscribers to a page where they can select which things they want to subscribe to. Like maybe you have a weekly newsletter that goes out, maybe you have monthly tips, maybe you have promotions, etc., various different types of emails. And you want your users to be able to say, yes, I'd like the weekly tips, but I don't want the monthly digest and I don't want the promos or whatever, right? So we had created that tool, again, many years ago. We've been offering it to our Success Lab and our factory members all this time, but now it is available in Plus This. So let me walk you through this and show you just another reason you should be using Plus This in your business, because we over the next little while are going to be deprecating all of our tools, which we've done to most of them so far, but we've got a few left, and this is one of the last few. So let's take a look over here at Plus This and see how this works. So here I am logged into Plus This, and what I want to do is add a new tool. I'll type in here email subscription manager, and this will come up. Go ahead and hit create. And what you're going to do is you're going to select the tags that you've already set up for your various different email subscriptions. So I've got one called Keap News. We'll send out emails about anything related to Keap News. I've got one called Keap Tutorials, and I've got one called Weekly Marketing Tips. So those are our email subscription tags. And you'll see it gives us a preview down here of what our users are going to see. And so they're going to see a screen like this where they can toggle on and off. Yeah, I'd like to subscribe to that one, or I don't. Or I do want to subscribe to that one, and I do. Now, these names come from the tag name and the tag description that we created inside of Keap. And so if you want to manage the language here, just edit the tag name and the tag description inside of your Keap account. Now, if you want to manage the colors and the words on these various buttons and toggles, all of that is editable down here. So I can change the words, I can change the colors. So if I want a yellow button instead of a red button, you see that that color button changed here. I'll keep that one red. Update subscriptions. I can change the names on here, email preferences instead of update subscriptions. So now I've got update email preferences. And again, I can change that to be green instead of blue or whatever I want. I'll go ahead and give this a name. This is my email subscription manager, and I'm going to save it. Once I save it, it's going to give me various different ways that I can implement this. I'm going to go ahead and just stick it on my website. So I'll copy this code right here, and then I'm going to come over to a page of my website that I have created. Right now I've just got a title and a little sentence there that explains what's happening. We use Elementor as our page builder, so I'm just going to paste in our code there that we just got from Plus This. I'll go ahead and update that page here, and I'll come back over here and I'll refresh our page here, and you'll notice that now this is going to pull live from my contact record whether or not I have that tag or not and mark it as subscribed. So currently I'm subscribed to Keap Tutorials. If I want to update my email subscriptions, then I'll need to, of course, manage these here. I can toggle them all off, or go ahead and select the ones that I want and then update email preferences, and it shows me here your subscription preferences have been saved and I'm all set. So I highly recommend that you check out this tool. It's really helpful in creating a better experience for your email subscribers so that they can manage what they want to get and what they don't want to get, and they can always come back to that page and update it. So in our emails, what we do is you'll find that we have a button at the bottom that says manage email preferences or something like that. They click on it and it takes them to that page. Below that is going to be the standard Infusionsoft opt-out link, which you always have to have. So you can't replace that link, but you can just add additional options for people to be able to manage their subscriptions. So enjoy that tool. I'm glad that we've been able to collaborate with Plus This to make that available to anybody and everybody who wants it now through Plus This. So find the link on this page. Go sign up for Plus This if you don't have it already. If you do have it, go check out that tool, get it implemented. It'll create a better experience for you and your users. All right, thanks, and stay tuned for more tips.